Change the column width. You can make a column of data easier to read by adjusting the column width. For example, if you have a large number or a long line of text in a cell, Excel may display only part of the cell value. To avoid this, you can increase the width of the column. Similarly, if a column only contains a few characters in each cell, you can decrease the width to fit more columns on the screen. Click in any cell in the column you want to resize. Click the Format tab. Click Column. Click Width. The Column Width dialog box appears. In the Column Width text box, type the width you want to use. Click OK. Excel adjusts the column width. You can also move over the right edge of the column heading. The cursor changes its form, and then click and drag the edge to set the width. Change the row height. You can make your worksheet more visually appealing by increasing the row heights to create more space. This is particularly useful in worksheets that are crowded with text. By increasing the row heights, you add white space above each cell, which makes the text easier to read. If you want to change the row height to display multi-line text within a cell, you must also turn on text wrapping within the cell. See Wrap Text Within a Cell later in this chapter. Select a range that includes at least one cell in every row you want to resize. Click Format. Click Row Height. The Row Height dialog box appears. In the Row Height text box, type the height you want to use. Click OK. Excel adjusts the row heights. You can also move over the bottom edge of a row heading. The cursor changes its form, and then click and drag the edge to set the height. Wrap text within a cell. You can make a long cell entry easier to read by wrapping the text within the cell. If you type more text in a cell than can fit horizontally, Excel either displays the text over the next cell if that cell is empty, or Excel displays only part of the text if the next cell contains data. To prevent Excel from showing only truncated cell data, you can format the cell to wrap text within the cell. In most cases, Excel increases the row height just enough so that it can display all the text given the cell's current width. Select the cell that you want to format. Click the Home tab. Click Wrap Text. Excel turns on text wrapping. For the selected cell, if the cell has more text than can fit horizontally, Excel wraps the text onto multiple lines and increases the row height to compensate.